So, today's lesson is something we use every single day. We've talked a lot about punctuation, right, in grammar. What do you think we might be talking about today? Something we use all the time. Raise your hand. What do we think? Allison, I saw your hand first.
Capitalization.
It is capitalization. So, when do we need to capitalize a letter? When do we capitalize a letter, 5th grade? Max, what's one situation?
A name.
A name. A name is a what kind of noun? Does anyone know? It's a what kind of noun? Chanel?
Personal.
Not personal. It does start with a P, though. Philip?
Person.
I mean, it's a person, but what kind of noun is it? Michael?
Pronoun.
Not a pronoun. Oh, guys. Frankie?
We talked about it yesterday.
I know.
Oh my God.
Allison?
Girl.
Nope. Iosius? It is a proper noun. I know. It's okay, guys. So remember, our proper nouns, they're very proper. Okay, you can kind of think of them as royalty. They need to be capitalized. A name is one kind of proper noun. What's another kind of proper noun that we would need to capitalize? What's something else? So someone's name. Addie, what's something else?
The beginning of a sentence.
Okay, so that's the other situation. When we start a new sentence, we need to capitalize it, right? So proper nouns, one situation where we capitalize letters. Starting a new sentence is another one. Let's focus on the proper nouns, though. A name is a proper noun. What's another kind of proper noun we need to capitalize? Mackenzie.
A place.
A place, a specific place. Like if I say the park, do I need to capitalize that?
No.
No, but if I say Jefferson Memorial Park, do I need to capitalize that?
Yep.
So a specific place, a specific name of a place. What's another one, Will?
The name of anything.
Kind of the name of anything. Like if I said, oh, we're going to school. Do I need to capitalize school? No, but if I say we're going to St. Joseph's School, would I need to capitalize that? Okay.
No.
What else? Emmy?
A specific thing.
A specific thing could work as well. I'm going to pause the all right, another kind of proper noun would be what? Max?
I don't know if it's a proper noun, but the important words in the title.
The important words in a title. What's something that's on my whiteboard right now? Maybe not even this whiteboard, the other whiteboard. What else do we need to capitalize? Layla?
A title.
A title, yes. Richie?
Days of the week.
Days of the week are proper nouns. What else is a proper noun? Iosius?
Months.
Months are proper nouns. What else? Drew?
Date.
Yeah, so basically our date, any part of that date.
Month.
Now, numbers, we write as numbers, right, when it comes to the date. Chanel?
I don't know if this is a proper noun, but when you're writing a sentence and you put the word I in it, it's always capital.
Yes, you guys, we always capitalize an I. Like if we say, I went biking, the I is going to be capitalized. You've gone enough, Elena. Allison? God, we capitalize God. So, names of important people or people's names, right? So, Jack P., you're going to grab your pencil and a piece of paper and head over to Mr. Leach's room. Philip?
Don't you capitalize things at the start of a sentence?
Yes, so when we start a sentence, we capitalize. So, these are all situations where we capitalize, right, you guys? Okay, so if I put a few, like 2 or 3 sentences up on the board, do you think you'd be able to pick out everything that needs to be capitalized?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that. I'm going to pause this recording. All right, so my virtual learners, these are our sentences. The first one, on September 2nd, a Thursday, John and Tim went to St. Joseph's School. So we're going to see what needs to be capitalized. Our second sentence is, every Saturday, my brother Connor likes to go to Target. Then our third sentence, in my family, we are Catholic. We celebrate Christmas in December and Easter in April. All right, ready to rock? Ready to rock? I have 3 sentences on the board. We're going to see if we can get everything capitalized that needs to be capitalized. So we're looking at sentence 1. Voices off. Listen up. It says, On September 2nd, a Thursday, John and Tim went to St. Joseph's School. Raise your hand if you see one thing that needs to be capitalized and isn't. All right. Drew, what's one thing? Saint. Saint needs to be capitalized because it's part of the name of a school. What's something else that needs to be capitalized? Emmy.
The J and Joseph.
The J and Joseph. Not only is it a name, but it's part of the name, the specific name of our school. What else needs to be capitalized? Will. On. That's the beginning of our sentence, right? It needs to be capitalized. What else needs to be capitalized? Senna. The J and John. That is someone's name. What else needs to be capitalized? Richie.
Tim.
Tim. Tim's name.
Anthony's.
What else needs to be capitalized? Allison. September. That is a month. I don't call on people who are jumping or making noises. Let's see. Frankie.
Thursday. The T and Thursday.
The T and Thursday, because that is a day of the week. It's a proper noun. There is one more thing that needs to be capitalized. What is it? What I called on. Philip?
The S in school.
The S in school. The St. Joseph School is the full name of our school. Did we get everything?
Yeah.
Okay, let's look at the second one. Every Saturday, my brother Connor likes to go to Target. What needs to be capitalized here? Put your hand down if I've already called on you. All right, Addie.
Connor.
Connor, my brother's name needs to be capitalized. Yes. All right, what else needs to be capitalized? Eosius.
I have a question and something.
I just want something that's capitalized.
Okay. Saturday.
Saturday, because it's the day of the week. What else needs to be capitalized? Jack L?
Target.
Target. You guys, we have to capitalize Target. That is that's like a trademarked. It's a brand. So like Nike, you would capitalize. Yep. So Target. Yep. What else needs to be capitalized? Possibly the easiest one of them all. Mackenzie?
Every.
Every. It's the beginning of our sentence. The E in every. Did we get everything for number 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we have number 3. In my family, we are Catholic. We celebrate Christmas in December and Easter in April. Now, I know it's not always April, but most usually it is. Okay. Hands down if I've already called on you. I'll make sure I can call on everyone. All right, Elena. Easter. That is a holiday. We didn't talk about holidays. Holidays need to be capitalized.
It kind of looks like C's.
What else? Max.
The C in Catholic.
The C in Catholic. Religions and saying like you're Catholic or Methodist, you capitalize that. What else? Layla.
Christmas.
Christmas. It is a holiday.
Christmas.
All right. Emmy.
D in December.
December. That is a month. D in December. What else do we capitalize? Chanel?
A in April.
The A in April. That is a month. Philip. What else?
I in.
The I in. Because it's the beginning of a sentence.
Oh.
Did we get them all?
No. Yeah. No.
There's one more.
No. Wait.
Addie, what is it?
We.
There's a second sentence. We need to capitalize the W and we. See our end punctuation right there? Our period? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Smart.
That is all of them. Ready to rock.
Hey.
Oh, guys, that's all of them.
I have a question.
So, yes, my brother's name is Connor, if that's your question. How do we feel about capitalizing things, 5th grade? Show me 1 through 5. How do you feel about figuring or identifying what needs to be capitalized? How do we feel about that skill? Mm-hmm. Okay. How do you feel? Awesome. Hands down. What we're going to do is we are going to look at EPB page 111. Open up to page 111 in your EPB. I know, that was our answer for one of our math problems. there was a remainder, but it was part of the answer. So 111 in our EPB. 111. I wish I could hire someone to like videotape for me. Like, you know, follow me around like, with the camera. So no, you're learning, so you can't be one of you. Yeah.
I'm a good cameraman.
Nope, because you guys are learning. That doesn't work. All right, ready to rock. So on page 111, capitalization. For numbers 1 through 8, you're rewriting each phrase and adding capital letters where needed. So you need to figure out where it is, and you should be rewriting it, not just crossing it out and putting the capitals like we did here, but actually rewriting it. 9 through 13, you're supposed to underline each letter that should be capitalized in the sentence. So for those ones, you're just underlining. And then for numbers 14 through 17, you're writing a sentence for each topic. And so make sure when you are writing that sentence that you are capitalizing the beginning of the sentence and any proper nouns you use throughout the sentence. Capiche?
Kabosh.
Okay, now, I want us to play our review game for Winn-Dixie. So, I'm gonna stop this recording.